Creating the Sound of Science. Challenge. Petronas' own PetroScience is a science discovery center focused on interactive learning. During school holidays, we wanted to continue science education, creating reminders to visit PetroScience. Science is seen as a difficult memorization of scientific facts. However, PetroScience makes science fun and enjoyable. Could we demonstrate this proposition? Insight. Science education can be viewed by students as boring and difficult. We had to build awareness and show that science is fun and easy to grasp. We decided to create science moments of fun that our listeners could hear and get excited by. Hence, we partnered with radio station Red FM, which has reached amongst young urban families and parents. We created School of Science with Red FM's young popular announcers Azura and Terry. School of Science segments conveyed fun via live experiments. Execution. School of Science was executed with investment of 52,000 ringgit across multiple reinforcing levels. Radio airtime capsules by Azura and Terry talked about fun facts of science and their experiments.
This is Terry and Azura. We are jumping into another round of Terry and Azura's School of Science. Very soon, thanks to PetroScience KLCC, a journey of scientific rediscovery awaits.
Fun of Science was brought live to listeners by announcers conducting science experiments in the studio.
With taking a bowl of water and also an orange, this is what we found out. After removing the rind, right, the orange actually sinks. Straw stabbing a potato experiment. And here's what we discovered. By placing your thumb over the hole at the top of the straw, it actually improves your ability to pierce the potato skin.
Experiments as videos, captured as videos and uploaded to Red FM's website and YouTube. Contest. Q&As relating to experiments furthered audience engagement.
Question number 1.
What is the chemical symbol for the element oxygen?
Shakina, Anthony.
Shakina, I heard you first.
O.
Results. Reached 225,000 listeners. PetroScience Facebook fans increase of 26%. Increased footfalls of 8% in December 2012 versus 2011. Increase in searches for PetroScience by 52% in December, resulting in website traffic increase by 10%. The Sound of Science was a hit.